Hello, come in. Alright guys, we got a Donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2X8 transmitter repair video. We had here we had 3 transistors below and these combiner resistors and your 10s. What probably happened, there's a couple things probably happened here to cause this. I'd say 1 would be dead key, 2 if you just hammered them off forever, and 3 you might have got on sideband overdrove. If you bust everything on sideband, turn this all the way down. That's your input. Turn it all the way down, that way be driving, be less input drive on the box. Remember to keep your dead key at 200. Here's what I do. I'll take this thing right here and I'll key up my radio. Let me get on tune. I'll grab my radio, about 200, a little less, and quit. That'll be less than more. I leave the variable wide open. So what I'm doing right there, I'm taking 1.6 watts in, which makes about at 200 with the variable wide open. You don't have to run a variable wide open, but that's kind of where I like to set them. And I'll be swinging, about 30.5. Alright. We'll look at our straight through to start with. Straight through SWR. Worldwide, 0. Input SWR, worldwide, 0. This is a pretty hot little box. I checked the build and everything, and it's all real good. 2500 watt PP. Worldwide, Donkey Stomper, worldwide, 2000 PP. Worldwide, hello, worldwide, get on down. 2000 peak on the burden, on the LP. Worldwide, it's weird, this is shows more on the LP, worldwide, but same on the burden as the last one I built. This is the way it goes sometimes. Hello, audio, 800 and something average. 2100, hello, audio 1, 2, 3, worldwide, 2100, worldwide. But she's all fixed up, good to go, man. Worldwide, get on down, worldwide, hello. You get on the tone generator, you see the tune's about right. Signal generator, you see it's about just like the rest of them. We don't pick up the fans or me talking. Hello, audio, worldwide, get on down. She's all up and going to repair for you, Robert. Like I said, man, just watch your dead key. Keep it around a couple hundred or less. And if you're on sideband, which I only like running these on sideband, but if you do run on sideband, turn this thing all the way down. Turn your RF power and your radio all the way down. Get your drive as low as you can. This thing ain't really sideband biased, it's just sideband delay, but like I said, I'm not a big sideband fan on these anyway. Alright, bud, thanks for your business. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you later. Go for an 10-018 Beavers. Catch you later. Bye-bye.